Money is such a hot topic in our current society. Many of us struggle with the concept of money, and yet we have a strong desire for it. It is a very compelling energy. Money brings with it a ton of mixed emotions around it. We love it, we hate it, and sometimes we feel so disempowered, and at times we feel mystified by the energy of money. Hi, my name is Karishma Manchanda, and I am the founder and instructor at the Akashic Records Academy. Currently, we are offering this course on healing your relationship with money. This course will empower your relationship with money and is one of the elective courses. So, if you have already completed level 1, 2, and 3, you can then approach this particular course to heal your relationship with money. What all is covered in this course? Well, our experience in and around money is based on so many things. Our personal experiences, our family history, ancestral beliefs, our past life beliefs, our experiences about money that are floating in the collective consciousness, coming as a form of cultural background, beliefs around societal constructs, about our habit forming beliefs, coming from religion, culture, family dynamics, social media, nationalities, and so much more. And to heal all of these, I believe that the Akashic Records is an ideal platform to transform our relationship with the energy of money per se, from feeling disempowered to experiencing freedom with money, to experiencing empowerment and having a choice around money. Using the tools that have been taught to you in level 1, 2, and 3, coupled with deeper insights, exercises, and so much more, this particular elective course will offer you tools of the Akashic Records that can become instrumental in opening your awareness, your thoughts, beliefs, and energies that are at play, both at a conscious and at a subconscious level. Many of these are operating in our energetic fields, which we may perhaps have never been aware of. With this course, we can discover the origins of these thoughts, beliefs, and energies, whether it is from our past lives, our ancestral karma, our cultural beliefs, beliefs coming from the collective consciousness, our inner child wounds, and so much more. We can also work in this really positive way to unearth and unconditionally accepting, loving, and releasing all of these stuck energies from the Akashic Records. And this will help us shift these outmoded patterns and choose new patterns of beliefs and experiences. The course is divided into several sessions, which include guided healing, clearing outmoded ideas about money, where you are going to be releasing obstructions that have been causing the experience of lack and limitation with money, and choosing to create a new relationship with money so that you feel empowered and aligned with whatever you desire. In this course, you will further be discovering your current money myths and truths, using the Akashic Records as a way to unpack your current beliefs both at a conscious and subconscious level. After all, awareness is everything. Awareness always precedes our ability to make new choices. It is essential that we become aware of what energies we hold in order to start to release them. Once we have crossed this, we will then move on to our journey to work with our past lives and ancestral money patterns and beliefs, identifying what all is stored in the wisdom of the ancestral karma and those of our past lives. We'll also be exploring if there are any vows of poverty, oaths, any black magic, foreign energies, and so much more. We are going to be looking at the past lives and ancestral patterns that are influencing your current day beliefs and experiences around money, and begin to lose the grip of these on your energies, thus creating space for new beliefs and new energies to pour in. Further, as we dive in, we will explore and uncover the inner child wounds and parental karma, releasing all that is no longer serving us with guided experiences. Diving deeper, we will also be uncovering collective money beliefs. Using the Akashic records, we will look at the beliefs that you're currently holding that have been picked up from the society and have been floating in the collective consciousness of humanity per se. These beliefs, many of us have been holding across the board about money at this time. It is important for us to understand that we all are swimming in the beliefs of the collective. So this particular module will help us to unearth our beliefs that we have adopted from the collective, and opens up a whole new scope for us to experience empowered choices that we will be making after clearing these beliefs that we wish to release from our energy. Once we have become aware and cleared all the old outmoded ideas about beliefs and the energy of money around us, I am sure that you will be feeling lighter, clearer, and more energized around the energy of money. You will get to choose a new relationship with money at the end. Using the Akashic records, you will be creating a new empowered potential with money in your life. Further, you will be using the creative aspect of the Akashic records to create a life based on freedom of choice with soul level support provided by the Akashic intelligence. Each of the modules contains several lessons and guided experiences from the Akashic records. You will also be given exercises and activities to complete in order to continue the unrevealing and healing, unearthing, and also identifying what is no longer serving you. Becoming more and more aware of all of those beliefs will make you move on a journey of inner transformation. Once you have been able to heal yourself, you will then be helping others, your clients, and your loved ones to transform their relationship with money. This is most ideal for those who have completed level 4, wherein you will learn to heal others and have become Akashic Records consultant. This course is recorded and archived so that you can access the material indefinitely. Once you have healed your own self and you have completed level 4, then you will be guided on how to heal others and help others create a more fulfilling, abundant life. If you are already feeling empowered, looking at this particular description of the course, I urge you to join me for this particular course where we will be unpacking all the old paradigms and bringing in a new, empowering relationship with money. I look forward to see you healing and clearing your outmoded ideas about money, releasing obstructions, causing the experience of lack and limitations with money, erasing the old paradigm and choosing a new relationship with the energy of money so that you feel more empowered and more aligned with whatever your heart desires. Before we begin, I must admit that Healing with Akashic Records is an ideal platform to work on this, since our current experiences and beliefs with money have come up to us in so many different ways, and our soul have chosen this particular time to release, unearth, and heal, and to create a new empowering relationship with money. I look forward to see you at the course.